Hi guys, my name is Michelle and come along with me today as we see how many pieces of furniture we can flip in a very short amount of time. And stick around to the end of the video where I'll tell you how much money we made from these pieces of furniture. The first piece of furniture we're going to flip today is a gorgeous dresser that I bought for $35. It's got some really lovely wood grain on the front, like in a pattern, kind of like a diamond pattern. But it does need a little bit of love, so I'll take you through what we're going to do. And we're going to spend only about an hour on this piece. Let's talk numbers. I paid $35 for this dresser and I bought it off Facebook Marketplace. I sold it for $250 again on Facebook Marketplace, which gave me a profit of $215. I put 1 hour of my time into this dresser, which means I made $215 per hour of my time, which is an amazing result. Now on to the next piece I flipped. So you guys can probably hear we've got a truck reversing into the driveway. And some of our thrift stores actually deliver. So I've got some furniture that I bought about a week ago, and you pay a little extra fee and they can deliver it to you.
You guys use the furniture, or do you guys like resale? Oh, really?
So I clean it up, I
Yeah.
repaint whatever needs to be fixed on it.
Awesome. Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah, when it started, I was probably like earning about $30 an hour for my time.
Okay.
And then it kind of gets better, and it's now like $400 an hour.
Oh, nice. 80 to 100 bucks an hour.
Yeah, like you get better at the pieces.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
Kind of what you do and stuff. It's pretty fun though. I enjoy it.
So what's the profit margin that you would say on like this guy?
On something like that, it depends how it like comes out, but I'm
Yeah.
probably like around 50
Okay. That's a nice markup.
Yeah.
Like, where do you list it at?
Facebook Marketplace. And like obviously like I take really nice photos and kind of like,
Yeah, that's beautiful.
yeah.
So that was from us too?
That one I just got of somebody on Facebook
Okay.
Marketplace. They were selling it for $35 and I
Did it look like that?
no.
No, yeah. I mean that's beautiful.
Yeah, right?
Shit, that looks like something you buy at like Steinhoff's
Yeah. So,
for a lower cost.
yeah.
Okay. Wow.
Well, that was kind of cool. The guys from the thrift store that were dropping off my furniture actually had a couple of questions about furniture flipping because they dropped some things off here before. And I always love talking about it when people are interested because I think it's a great way to make an extra couple of $100 on the side. It's an awesome side hustle. All right, time to get flipping. I'm gonna be working on this. I paid $34.60 for this dresser and then $20 to have it delivered, and we're going to clean this up and relist it. Before I give this dresser a clean, I'm going to take one of these handles off and just see how it looks after I give it a clean, whether we give all of them a clean or not. So I'm just gonna try cleaning it with a little bit of Brasso, and we'll just see if it makes any difference or not, because I'm not quite sure of the material that these handles are made out of. Don't know that it's making a huge difference. I think they're gonna look pretty similar. So I think we might just give them a clean with some hot water. Okay, so I decided to grab some Barkeeper's Friend and give one of the pools a good scrub, and as you can see there's a big difference. So these are the ones that are currently on the dresser, and this is how it's going to look after I give it a good scrub. It's still got like areas of age spots and things that I'm not going to be able to get out, but I think overall it's going to look pretty cool. So I guess I'm going to be doing a lot of scrubbing. So we're gonna give this a good wipe all over with some hot water inside and outside of the drawers. Make sure it's nice and clean. I'm gonna go over the dresser with Restore Finish in Maple Pine, and I'm also gonna use a staining pat. Now, even though this is more of like, I would say, a mahogany color dresser, sometimes I find if you do a darker color in the Restore Finish, scratches can almost look really dark. So I'm going to start with this Maple Pine and just brush that on and see how we go.
On these scratches here and the ones on the leg, I also used my furniture markers to help blend it together as well as the Restorer finish. I just didn't have footage showing this. I also make sure I take clear photos of any areas of wear on my pieces when I do my listings so that people are very clear about what they're getting.
I've had the Restorer finish sitting on the dresser for over half an hour, so I'm going to wipe off any excess with a lint-free towel, and then I'm going to go over it with Howard's Feed and Wax. Wiped off the excess, and now it's time to go over it with the Howard's Feed and Wax. So it would appear I bit off more than I could chew in one day, and we're starting to lose the light now for photos, so it's time to pack up and call it a day, and I'll see you tomorrow. And we're back working on this dresser again today. After a bit of elbow grease, the handles are looking amazing. So we are just going to reattach them and take some photos of this dresser. Well, she's done. It's time to take some photos.
Let's talk numbers. I paid $34.60 for this dresser, and I also paid $20 to have it delivered to me, which gives us a total cost of $54.60. Now, this dresser took a while to sell. For me, it took a couple of weeks, and in my area, even though I think it looks gorgeous, it's not a super popular style. However, it did sell, and I sold it for $250. Which gave me a profit of $195.40. Now, I only spent 2 hours on this dresser, which gave me a profit of $97.70 per hour of my time, which I was very happy with. So if we add the total profit of those 2 dresses up, that means I made $410.40 profit in 3 hours, which isn't a bad result at all. And if you found this video interesting or helpful, please hit the subscribe button down below, as it really helps me to make more videos like this, and I truly appreciate it. See you in the next one.